I wanted to see more, so I became an explorer. I was born in Lebanese mountains, which built up my curiosity of exploring the unknown. I go places where other people cannot go, which I still want to share it with my family and my friends. I want them to feel what I feel, and I want them to see what I see. And the best way to do that is by pictures. Feel the rock. You have to understand how the features go from one place to another place. That's all what matters. Whenever you're traveling, get out there and see more. See more of what the local people see. See more of what the nature have to offer. See more of what you can do in the unknown.